Hi, this is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. Standing here in front of the gorgeous 350 Sundancer by Sea Ray. Let's go take a closer look. First thing you're going to notice is an extended swim platform, perfect for entertaining. Full isinglass enclosure. Walking aboard, you're going to see the grill off to the starboard side, refrigerator underneath, and a sink. You notice the ample seating, and it has a table that's actually lowered right now, able to put a cushion on top for a big lounge pad. You could also raise that up to be a big table. Companion seating and a lounger on the port side. On the starboard by the helm, you're going to have an adjustable seat, Simrad electronics, and Axios joystick piloting. Moving below, beautiful galley. The mid-berth can be two individual beds. You can take out the filler cushion, or you can have a full-size bed. And a seat as well. Plenty of storage. Head and shower. Pull-out couch. And the V-berth. That is the Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. Please call me if you have any questions or are very interested. My number is 908-330-2727. Thanks a lot.